Hey there, all you startup superheroes. Today we are diving into something that will skyrocket your Excel skills from zero to hero. Data entry and editing your data. I am here to guide you through the amazing world of entering and editing data in Excel. Alright, let's kick things off with data entry. Imagine this sheet as your canvas, ready to be filled with valuable information, whether it's sales number, project task, or anything else. You can type it here. See this? It is as easy as typing a text message. Each cell holds a piece of data. You can put in names, dates, amounts, you can name it. But wait, let's level up. You can also set rules for your data. Ever wanted to prevent your mistakes? Anything, you can do it. No more errors, just accurate info. Okay, let's start with entering data in cells. Entering data is too much simple. Just go to cell and type. For example, I name it as name. I am working for a sales company, so I sales last year, sales targeted for next year, and as much information you want to add, you can add it. Just go add a name. For example, I add Chohan. He did sales last year, for example, 1000. I want to increase my sale next year by 10%. I just do it by formula. Starting our formula with is equal to, select the last sales, multiply by 1.0, because I want to increase it 10%, so I will multiply it 1.1%, like boom. It's too much simple to enter data. Now, second point, how we can edit it. We can format it according to our own choice. For example, I want to make them bold. Just select it, go to font group, click bold. I want to change its background, so I want to place its color from light gray or dark gray, so it looks separate. I just want to change its text font. Select it, go to your text, and I want to change it with Times New Roman. Now look, it's look too much attractive and simple. I can also change its size. It's all called data editing. So moving to our next point, how we can delete data. There is two options to delete data. One is simple. Just go to data which you want to delete, press delete key on your keyboard, data will be deleted. Another option is you can delete the data by using your mouse. Just go to data, select it, right click on it, like delete. Boom, it will delete the data. Wait, for example, just you want to delete it, clear contents, it will delete your data. For example, I want to place borders around them. Just select your data, place your borders like this, it will be in borders. Another crazy thing we have in Excel, if you want to clear only data, you can use del key or by using mouse. But if you want to delete whole data, you can do same thing. Select whole data, press del key, it will delete it. But see, no background color is deleted, no borders is deleted. We can do it also. Just select the data, go to editing tab, we have clear options. There is a lot of options are available. For example, clear all, by clicking this, it will clear all its format and becomes its to its neutral position. Clear formats mean it's only remove your boldness and your borders. For example, give you example, clear formats like this. It did not delete it single piece of data. It just deletes the formats. You can also only delete data, clear contents like this. You also have options clear hyperlinks. Also you have an option of clear all. So like it will be normal. For example, you are working with large sheet. I am creating it large by autofill. Same thing I did for this. Same did for this. You want to replace just only 1006 in it. You can add it in two ways. Just go to formula bar and change it. Other option is just select the cell, press F2 key, like you can edit it right now. Anything you want to enter. Another option to replace the data, existing data, to replace it. Just go to find and select replace. You want to replace 1004. Type it here 1004. You want to replace it with 2004. So replace all like this. It is auto replaced. As you all know, our all sales are in currency. You can change its format. Just select your data, go to your number tab, just click it, convert into currency like this. Your all data is converted into currency. And any of format you want to do, you can do it from there. Like you can change into time, long date, short date, anything you want. You can also change your alignments of text from there. If you want centered, you just click it, center, it is left, right, anything you want. You can increase size of the text, place border as already discussed. You can italic it, you can underline it, anything you want. You can do it from home tab. There you have it, startup champions. Data entry and editing in Excel are your keys to efficient and accurate record keeping. You are now equipped with tools that will boost your productivity and amaze your team. Give this video a thumbs up if you are ready to rock your data world. And don't forget to subscribe for more Excel awesomeness. Stay curious, keep learning, and I will catch you in the next video.